If your roof looks like it's wearing a mossy wig, you need B2 Clean Pressure Washing. Hey, Louisville and Southern Indiana homeowners. Tired of that algae-covered roof or stained concrete driveway? We've got you covered with B2 Clean Pressure Washing. Our team of local experts is ready to revitalize your home's exterior, making it look brand new again. Imagine pulling into your driveway and seeing a sparkling clean roof that boosts your curb appeal and extends your roof's lifespan. Plus, it saves you from costly repairs down the road. Our friendly professionals use safe, effective soft washing techniques to clean your roof without damaging it. And it's not just about looks. Regular roof cleaning can prevent mold and mildew from taking hold, keeping your home healthier. And let's not forget about that concrete. From driveways to patios, our pressure washing service blasts away dirt, grime, and stains, making your outdoor spaces shine. But don't just take our word for it. Check out these stunning before and after photos from our happy customers at b2cleanpressurewashing.com gallery page. We're all about delivering personalized service tailored to your needs, and our results speak for themselves. So, why wait? Give your home the TLC it deserves with B2 Clean Pressure Washing. Visit our website to schedule your free consultation today. B2 Clean, your local experts in making your home shine.